Trafod y Tywydd. Discussing the weather. Dyn ni'n parhau I drafod y tywydd yn y fideo yma. We will continue to discuss the weather in this video. But this time, we will learn how to use the past tense and the future tense. Yn y presennol, in the present tense, we use mai. Sut mae'r tywydd heddiw? How is the weather today? Ond yn y gorffennol, in the past tense, we use roedd. Sut roedd y tywydd ddoe? How was the weather yesterday? Now to answer, we use the phrase roedd hi'n. It was. Dewch I ymarfer. Look at the pictures and say the answers aloud. Sut roedd y tywydd ddoe? Roedd hi'n wlyb ddoe. Sut roedd y tywydd ddoe? Roedd hi'n heulog ddoe. Sut roedd y tywydd ddoe? Roedd hi'n wyntog ddoe. Da iawn. To ask the question, was it? Yn Gymraeg, we use oedd hi'n? Was it fine yesterday? Oedd hi'n braf ddoe? Was it raining yesterday? Oedd hi'n bwrw glaw ddoe? And to answer using the past tense, oedd. Roedd hi'n braf ddoe? Yes, it was fine yesterday. Or the negative, nac oedd. Doedd hi ddim yn braf ddoe. No, it wasn't fine yesterday. And now, let's look at the future tense. Y dyfodol. Yn Gymraeg. When using the future tense, we use bydd. Sut bydd y tywydd yfory? How will the weather be tomorrow? Ac I ateb, to answer, bydd hi'n heulog yfory. It will be sunny tomorrow. Bydd hi'n wyntog yfory. It will be windy tomorrow. And finally, the question, will it be, yn Gymraeg, is fydd hi'n? Fydd hi'n braf yfory? Will it be fine tomorrow? Fydd hi'n bwrw eira yfory? Will it be snowing tomorrow? Notice, there is a treiglad meddal at the beginning of the question. Fydd hi'n? And to answer, bydd. Bydd hi'n bwrw glaw yfory? Yes, it will be raining tomorrow. Or the negative, na fydd. Fydd hi ddim yn bwrw glaw yfory. Again, notice there is also a treiglad meddal when using the negative pattern. Fydd hi ddim. Da iawn. Cofiwch, dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo yma eto I adolygu. Remember, you can watch this video again if you wish to revise. Pob lwc!